Hi, it's Amy and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do some cute heart inspired set of nails with a neutral nude background and foil. Enjoy! So first we're going to start with a palette and some serious black that I've popped a little bit on. I'm going to use the 001 brush. What I've done first is I've used my favourite nude from the Nude Pink collection, Shy Time. Done 2 coats on each nail and then wiped the sticky layer off with some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint free pad. So we'll take the 001 brush and load that up with our serious black. And then we're going to just paint our hearts on in full black. And because it's black we're using, I would say cure in between each finger. So once you're happy with the shape, pop into the lamp for 30 seconds and go on to the next one. And then pop that back in the lamp. And pop them in the lamp, and then after this final one pop it in for 60 seconds just to ensure that it gives it a good cure. Pop that in. Whilst that's happening we're going to take our 2 foils that we've chosen. We've chosen a pink theme, so we're going for the nice bright cerise magenta-y pink and a nice rose gold pink. With our hearts we're going to go with a lighter foil first and stick that. If it doesn't stick brilliantly we can go in with some foil glue. Then we can go in with some foil glue. We'll put a little bit on our palette, go in with our 001 brush and just quickly paint over just so we can get a little bit more coverage. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then we'll go over with that again, get a bit of better coverage. Then back in with our 001 brush with black, and we just want to outline our heart just to define it a bit better and to make it look super cute. Then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And to go into top coat we're going to use the gel top coat and seal that in, making sure to get the free edge. And pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Once they're out of the lamp we're going to use the pink pineapple cuticle oil because it's my favourite and I will not deviate, and rehydrate those cuticles. There you go. It's a cute little heart themed set that can be done super quick. And here we have it, finished design, some cute foil hearts on a nice neutral nude background. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment in the comment box below. All the products that we've used today will be in the description box and you can get them on the Nails website. Thanks for watching. Bye!